In a world of immense pressure, how far would you go to stand firm in your faith? In Babylon, three young men, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, refused to bow before King Nebuchadnezzar's golden statue. Their unwavering faith led them into a fiery furnace, but as the flames roared, a fourth figure appeared, shielding them from harm. Miraculously, they emerged unscathed, demonstrating that true faith ignites divine protection. Their story reminds us that standing firm in belief can lead to miraculous deliverance.